Hi Insha.
Hi, sir.
So Insha, what do you do?
Sir, I'm an English language teacher. I'm teaching higher secondary classes in a very reputed school in Delhi.
Great, wonderful. So you are that typical English teacher, the strict one who's always stubborn with their students, always scolding. Are you one of those English teachers?
You can say, but it's no. Right now, it's like a blended one because now
Okay.
the students are they want freedom. They want interaction. They don't want that typical teacher. They want someone who is
Right.
as friendly, as a. So it's a blend one. When it's time to study, I'm a typical teacher, and when there is a time for fun, so I'm a friendly one.
Right, wonderful. So you are that those modern set of teachers who understand emotional intelligence and freedom for students, kids also, the ones which we missed during our days.
Yes, exactly.
Great, wonderful. So a straight and a very blunt question, Insha, which I don't know whether you like it or not, but how much money do you make in a year?
I make a very decent amount of money. I'm earning around 4 lakh and above right now.
Great, wonderful. And are you happy with that kind of money, Insha?
I'm happy with currently, what at what position I'm working and what amount of remuneration I'm getting. But yes, in future I will love to expand that.
And everyone wants that. So, Insha, tell us more about your work experience. I'm curious, like from work profile wise, how did you reach this destination where you are today?
Actually, from a very young age, I wanted to be a teacher. So my aunt is a teacher, and I was also inspired by an English language teacher. So after completing my 12th, I have done my DLED, that is Diploma in Elementary Education. Along with that, I have done my graduation, Bachelor of Arts. After that, I have done my B.Ed. I have done B.Ed from Jamia Millia Islamia, and I have just recently completed my Masters of Education. And also I have worked with different age group. I have worked as a young learners teacher, then with primary classes, and now I'm taking senior grades. So I have experience working with all the age groups.
That's so very nice. So you have a very exuberant work experience and education background, not something which all English teachers would have, and that certainly distinguishes your profile from so many others around. So, Insha, do
Thank you
you
so
think
much.
that your multi-talented profile is what your X factor is, or is there something else? So, what's your X factor? Is my next question.
I think I have a very, since I said that I'm a very friendly person, and I also have a very good communication skill. I'm great at public speaking, and I have a good, also when it comes to interpersonal and intrapersonal qualities. So I have that also. That makes it, more easy for me to work as a teacher. That because being a teacher, you need to interact a lot of people on a daily basis, and
Right.
also to understand yourself because working as a teacher is like a stress and burnout.
That's so very true. That's very honest and very true. That is the reality of life, of work life, especially the ones who are in the corporates and even managing homes and managing offices. Burnout is definitely a problem, but I'm so glad that you're managing both of these aspects of life with such a great balance.
Thank
And
you so much, sir.
that also brings me to the next question, Insha. What are your hobbies?
My hobbies, I love reading books, and I love gymming also. So every day I take out around 1 to 1.5 hours a day and go to gymming. And I also like to play badminton, and I also love watching web series whenever I get time. Basically on weekends. So I try to take time and watch web series on
Right.
Netflix.
Right. Amazing, amazing. You have a very all-round personality, Insha. It was wonderful talking to you, wonderful knowing more about you. We can talk for hours and hours, but apparently we have to stick to the time limit here. Thank you so much for your time
Yes,
and
sir.
have a nice day ahead and wishing you all the very best for your career.
Thank you so much, sir. Have a great day ahead.
Take care. Bye.
Take care. Take care. Bye bye.